Today we're at a classic wall failure. It has the trifecta of why these timber walls always end up failing in the end.
This wall was here before we moved in, and it was failing completely. It was unusable. The children were pulling out the rebar. It was unusable, unsafe, and we've been looking to do this project for almost 3.5 years now. This turned out better than what I was expecting. We have 2 boys who are 100% outdoor kids, so this gives them that opportunity to play safely outside and gives us an opportunity to have that risky play that comes with being a kid. I started looking into hardscaping and landscaping companies. Joe came out, great quote, reasonably priced, and the communication was amazing. With a project like this, it's so important to feel that you have trust with somebody. You want to make sure that it's safe and sound and everything is done appropriately.
So if you need a retaining wall in your backyard, these Versa-Lok retaining walls in the weathered standard come in a variety of colors. They're really good to use. They stand the test of time. They'll be here as long as the house is here. So let Pro Earth come out and make your backyard the favorite room of your house.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
Were you paid for this?
No, sir, I was not. I'm just really happy with my wall.